read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, today's lesson is about lowercase letter r. What are the expected learning outcomes? The expected learning outcomes are the student is expected to identify lowercase letter r and learn the vocabulary words that start with the sound r. Okay, here just two vocabulary words we have given like rocket and rabbit. You could show your ring. Ring. Rat. But before starting your lecture, we will teach the formation. Start from second line, come straight down and jump. Stop. It will make small r. The letter name is r. The sound of r is r. Rain. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Ria wants to play. Little Rabia wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rabbit. Rocket. Okay, look over here. The rabbit rides a rocket. Do you know about that? Who is riding the rocket? Ria? No. Rabbit. Yes. What is the rabbit doing? Riding a rocket. Very good. And in mind, what we are going to do? Okay, pretend to be a puppy pulling a rag and say Very good. I hope so you understood today's lecture. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.